Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the Umidigi Power 3 and what do I think about it after a week of using it. Before starting, please go and hit this subscribe button down there. If you click the subscribe button, this will allow us to review more devices for you and maybe we can start doing some giveaways, nobody knows. But if you can take a second and do this, we are going to be very, very glad. Now let's proceed. So that's the device. Fingerprint on the back, pretty fast in my opinion. Face recognition, pretty good. First thing I want to talk about though is the battery life. Let's go and I want to show you. So when I received the device, it wasn't charged completely, it wasn't 100%, I think it was about 85 or something. So we switched it on and I started using it. Now this is after 6 days of use. It's still got 22 hours left. Let's see if I can show you the screen on time. So we had the screen on for almost 5 hours. We played a bit of Call of Duty. We watched some YouTube videos. We took some pictures and stuff. Yeah, most of the time the phone wasn't used, but it was on. And standby time of a week for a smartphone is quite impressive, at least in my opinion. Now Yumi claimed that this one is going to charge really quickly. So now we're on 12% and I'm going to connect the original charger which comes with the phone. And let's see how much is going to charge until we finish this video. Okay, we're charging now, 12%. Can we see actually how long it's going to take? Let's try and find out. We have some notifications here. 12% charging. We don't know. It's not very clear how long it's going to take. Well, anyway, it's connected now, so let's see. Issues. Main issue, sound. Sound is just completely disappearing for no obvious reasons. And then you have to reset the device. Or sometimes the sound is reappearing in a bit. I don't know what's happening. I contacted the Yumi support and they said they're working on a software fix for this. So hopefully it will be resolved soon. Some people are reporting unexpected shutdowns. I didn't experience that, or at least I didn't notice the phone to shut down randomly, so I can't comment on this. The other issue is the control of the camera. I want to show you this. So on the slow motion camera, I wanted to change some settings. On that reappeared. So this thing here, the slow motion quality, disappears and reappears randomly. No idea why. Now, pay attention. These are the two options we have. I cannot see any difference. Both options are 120 frames per second, same resolution. I don't know why we have two if they're going to be the same. But yeah, that's the way it is. I wanted to check some settings on the video side. Again, nothing, well, not nothing, but not much. And you have Scene Optimizer, which is ridiculously long list, so I don't think anyone is just really going to start using it. Front camera quality, video was good, but it wasn't smooth. So I guess it was 24 frames or 30 frames, but nothing more than that. And again, you can't check what it is at the moment and you cannot change it. There are some modes on the camera which are not making any sense. Like we have photo mode and then we have 48 megapixel mode. And why? I don't know. So camera software is not very good. There is potential because the lens set is fantastic, but the software that controls it, it's not good at all. In very good light, the micro lens are good, but you need really good light. So let's try, actually, I'm going to show you this. So we have this Yumi thanks card, which came in the package. Let's get the camera. Let's go to, so that's a panorama mode, photo, macro. So that's the macro. For text, and the light is quite strong, so it's kind of okay. But if you don't have a very strong light, it's just blurry and it's not working. I don't know if this is the lens or the software. Now, these are the bad things. Good things, gaming. I wasn't expecting that. This device have a gaming mode. It's enabled now, so I tried Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt 9 and Pro Stars. It works with all of them, no issues whatsoever. The gaming experience is smooth, no connection issues, games are working and they're not just, randomly stopping. So for gaming, this device is actually pretty good. And keeping in mind how good the battery is, well, that's my internet that's not fast, not the game itself. Keeping in mind how big the battery is, I think it's a bargain. And if they resolve the software issues, this is actually going to be an amazing device for, what was it, it's £160 right now? So it's not that expensive for the things it offers. It comes with a built-in screen protector, which is good, but it's not covering the whole screen, which is not so good. Overall, I'm quite happy with it. I was about to return it because of these issues, but then I decided to give it a second chance, and I'm happy I did. Now let's see what's happening with the battery. So it was on 12%, now it's on 15%. That's not really fast charging. Can we enable or disable? Oh, okay, so we need 2 hours and 22 minutes left until it's fully charged. Okay, keeping in mind how big the battery is, that's okay. But it's not super fast charging. But yeah, if it's going to last a week after it's charged, I think we can deal with a little bit of waiting time. So these are the things I did with this device. Let me know if you want to see any other tests or performance stuff. Okay, actually, do you know what? Let's see the 3D Mark. I downloaded this. So where is my device? My results. So these are the results. Not in the top list, of course. But if you compare the prices to this device and the devices in the same class with higher results, well, this one is coming quite cheap. And we also have the Geekbench here. Oh, I don't know what happened with my Geekbench results. There's somewhere history. Yeah. Okay, so something is happening now. Oh yeah, I'm pressing it with my... Oh, silly me. History, that's the history of single core and multi-core test. Not great, but it works good, so these numbers shouldn't mislead you. Again, overall, for the price, it's pretty good device. It could be even better if they fix the software issues. So I'm happy with it. Let me know what do you think about it, guys, and what other tests would you like to see, and I'll be more than happy to do this for you. Also, you can let me know what other very cheap mobile phone would you like to see next on our channel, and if we can do it, we will. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like if you like this video. Leave us your comments, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.